In this video tutorial, I will show you how you can automate or daily task, presentation, or any image you creating by using the Canva. Canva is a very powerful tool to do all this type of the activity. So you can add the plugin, and once you install the plugin, it will redirect to the login to the Canva page where you need to have the give the authentication. If you have any paid version or if you have any free version, you can log into that email id, and once you logged into email id, they will ask you a couple of to allow the access to the Canva account. So I can allow. So I will show you in this lecture how we can automate to create the image of the thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail. Like YouTuber always have to be create the thumbnail manually. So by using the Canva, you can do in within the second as well. I have plugin, I have created the plugin, I have integrated the Canva, and so basically this is the some type of the new project. So I'm going to create the new project. So you can click on drop down and add the project, and once you add the project, we can give the some folder name as well. So whatever the project you have created, so it will be shown in the left side. So you can reuse that project in the future, whatever the you have the requirement in the future. So like I have created for the data engineering project, demo project, we have the new project 3. So for the same, I created the Canva. So all the whatever the activity I will do will save in the project called the Canva. So here you need to be first trained to the agent for the skill. You need to be whatever the requirement you have, like general for the Canva, we're doing the presentation, we creating the thumbnail. So we can train this project, this agent to the particular area, like create a Canva skill. So I'm creating the Canva skill to use create the attractive we can YouTube thumbnail. We can write the YouTube thumbnail, and if you want, we can also write the presentation, or if you working into the basically Instagram, you can also create the Instagram image, whatever you want. Okay, so based on that, first we will create the skill. So again and again, you not required to do prompt anything, and you need to be tag the skill creator. So you can see I tag the skill creator. So skill creator is basically one of the inbuilt skill. They will create the new skill for the personal. So in the skill section, if you go, you can find there are two type of the skill. One is the system skill. So skill creator R is system skill, and now I am creating for the personal skill. So now you can see the skill creator got started. The skill will have under this folder or shape.md file they will create, and each and every time they will ask you to submit the basically whatever authentication they required. So they will submit this authentication, and if you have like anything want to add the skill, like suppose initially you forgot to mention some skill, later point also you can add the skill, something whatever you want to adding into this Canva. So the skill is started. So again they asking for the submitting. So you need to be always keep whatever the approval required. So without or authentication, the codex will not do anything. Okay, and this is the very secure platform. You can automate whatever the daily tasks you have. I will also show you couple of more things related to data engineering area in the coming session, like how you can create for the data modeling activity, SQL, Python, or the pipeline creation. Pipeline creation I already had discussed in the previous, and already had I discussed with the business analyst role point of view, all this automation point of view. But here I am going to discuss. I will discuss also some other area as well, and I will also show you based on this skill how you can create the basically Canva like thumbnail, attractive thumbnail based on this skill whatever they creating. So now you can see still is have some Python path in shell, so checking if runtime next and return the initializing the path. Okay, so they are basically if in the laptop you don't have any something is there, they will also tell this application is required not have. So you can see created the Canva skill. This is the skill name .md file, and this is the YouTube thumbnail file is created, and presentation. So two skill got created, YouTube thumbnail and presentation. So if you required anything in future related to thumbnail creation or presentation, we can ask to this agent. Okay, so now you can see now I will also create the based on this skill will also create the thumbnail. So two skill, the thumbnail and presentation will be created. So I will demonstrate to you like basically how you can use this skill, and how you can create the attractive thumbnail. You can also click on the open skill YouTube thumbnail, and you can see what type of the content they have created. So based on certain image I am providing for supporting image, and I am writing the again prompt to create a thumbnail to use in YouTube on the attach image. Okay, so I have already attached the image. If you want, I can also attach more image for the they can include into the Canva. Okay, so now you can see this image got attached, and if you send this prompt, so this image got attached, and now I'm sending, so they will start creating the thumbnail. And this is a very automate process we can do. I'm using all this automation in my current project as well. So I'm no need to do any manual thing. Each and everything got automated here. So you can also try it as a like you can connect with the Gmail to reply the email. You can also connect to the Outlook. They will reply to the Outlook as well. And now you can see this image got created. So now but image have some like you can see 2026 is coming bit in place. So after that they automatically detected that this is the issue. Okay, so you can see the first render closed, but 20 page is covering part of the full course. So full course is not displaying, so they will auto test as well. Okay, so if they find any debug, if they find any issue, they will start automatically. So that this is the beauty of the Canva Codex project. So no need to do you anything. If they do any mistake, automatically they can fix the mistake as well. Okay, so now again they try to, they also provided the, you can see YouTube upload what dimension like image required. So now you can see this image got created with the OpenAI Codex 2026 full course AI coding automation. So you can see how beauty they have created. Now again you can see PandeyGuruji is coming in my face, and also some agent is cutting something like that. So you can fix all this thing basically again to write in the prompt. So you can write something that keep PandeyGuruji like Guruji bottom right. Okay, something right bottom, and correct the agent, so they will fix it. Okay, so they act like the some developer is sitting. So just you need to tell the what they required. Based on that they will do all these things. So now I send keep PandeyGuruji bottom right and adjust agent. So now they can understand, got it, and they are moving to the bottom right, and they have started the working on the fix area, and they will recreate the again the image. Okay, and they will recreate the image, and they will provide the again. Okay, so you can also try all this thing in our daily activity, like some presentation, ppt, all these things you can write it. So now you can see they have fixed, they have given the PandeyGuruji bottom right, but still we have the AI agent is coming out of box. Okay, so we can do also this fixing as well, like you can say the AI agent keep in the basically within the box, so they can also do the same thing. Or if you want any type of the modification or any type of the changing, just you can write the prompt. So I'm just giving the AI agent still out of box, so just I given the prompt, so they are start again the working, and now you can see they will fix now. Okay, so now see this is a very perfect image they have generated, and we can ready to use, very beautiful. So if you create this thumbnail manually, anyone can charge 1000 to 1500 for one thumbnail, and it will take around 1 or 2 days as well. Okay, so 1 day at least something, but the Canva Codex is doing within the minute, 2 or 3 minutes it will be created, and very beautiful image is created. So you can see, you can feel the how we can any work whatever you manual doing, we can automate anything into the codex, and this is a very powerful